Hello guys, welcome back to Java Python Interview Hub, your source for simple answer to real interview question. Now, our today's question is what? Is a test case. So, your short answer will be what? A test case is a set of actions executed to verify a specific feature or functionality of software. So, explanation would be the main component includes test case ID, steps, expected result, actual result, and the status. What is the purpose? Helps ensure nothing is missed. Reusability, repeatable for regression testing, and the types can be manual or automated. So if you understand and if you like the question, please like, subscribe and comment to our YouTube channel Java Python Interview Hub. We'll meet in the next question. Thank you very much guys.